So we have this beautiful walkway that we can test this out on. Let's give her a go. That works out pretty good. Still spinning. Looking good. So that sounded really good. Just ran really good. Cut really good. Just as we still got some ants coming out of here. This is wild. I'm gonna try to get the rest of these ants coming out of this little drain hole there. That's wild. But yeah, she's ran real good. You might have noticed that the chainsaw has been taken back. So whenever that comes back, I will make that video. But yeah, she sounds good, ran good.